Confined within the limitations of his physical form, his body became a prison, yet his mind remained unbound, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Though confined to a chair, a symbol of his physical constraints, Stephen Hawking's imagination soared across the universe, traversing galaxies and nebulae, unbound by earthly limitations. He saw beyond the horizon, venturing into the unknown realms of space and time. He refused to be silenced, his voice, synthesized yet powerful, echoing through the halls of science and beyond. He embarked on a relentless intellectual journey, venturing to the edge of time and the heart of black holes, unraveling the mysteries of cosmic phenomena. Hawking showed us that the greatest force in the universe is human curiosity, the insatiable desire to understand our place in the cosmos. While his world shrank physically, confined by the relentless progression of his illness, his intellect expanded beyond measure, reaching into the farthest corners of the universe, grasping concepts that defied conventional understanding. He asked the biggest questions, the fundamental inquiries that have plagued humanity for centuries. Where did we come from? What sparked the Big Bang and set the universe into motion? What is reality? Is it merely what we perceive, or is there a deeper, more complex truth hidden beneath the surface? Where are we going? What is our ultimate destiny in the grand cosmic scheme? His mind became a laboratory for the cosmos, a place where the laws of physics were tested and redefined. Bending and stretching the universe with mathematics, he sought to unlock the secrets of space and time, revealing the elegant dance of gravity and energy. A single mind, powered by relentless thought and unwavering determination, took on the mysteries of existence, grappling with the profound questions that have captivated humanity for generations. As his muscles failed and his physical abilities diminished, his intellect sharpened, his mind becoming an even more powerful tool for exploring the universe. Painting the universe with equations, he revealed the hidden beauty and underlying order of the cosmos. He became a symbol of possibility, not limitation, inspiring millions to overcome their own challenges and pursue their dreams. Hawking's journey reminds us that our greatest explorations are inward, into the uncharted territories of our own minds, into the depths of human potential, where the only limits are those we impose upon ourselves. The man who could barely move a muscle, whose physical existence was a daily struggle, moved the world, shifting our understanding of the universe and our place within it. He translated the symphony of the cosmos, the complex harmonies of the universe, into a language we could all begin to understand, bridging the gap between complex scientific concepts and everyday understanding. His story is about the will to know, the unwavering pursuit of understanding, to explore, to question, and to share knowledge, empowering others to embark on their own intellectual adventures. Hawking's life is a beacon, a shining example of the power of the human mind to overcome adversity, illuminating our path into the unknown, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe around us. Stephen Hawking's journey began with a question. Born in Oxford, raised in a home where curiosity was cherished, he was encouraged to think, debate, and question everything. As a boy, he dismantled clocks and radios, driven by a need to understand how things worked. Though not always top of his class, his teachers saw a mind ignited by complex problems. This early environment of intellectual exploration set the stage for a boy who would one day try to take apart the universe itself. At 17, a young Stephen Hawking embarked on a journey that would forever alter our understanding of the cosmos. He stepped through the hallowed gates of Oxford, a place steeped in academic tradition and intellectual rigor. Little did anyone know, this bright young man would soon grapple with questions that had puzzled humanity for centuries. He found himself breezing through the intricate world of physics, mastering complex equations and theoretical concepts with remarkable ease. But Hawking wasn't content with mere competence. He was driven by an insatiable curiosity, constantly seeking greater challenges, problems that would truly test the limits of his intellect. He wanted to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Beyond the academic realm, he became a coxswain for the rowing team, guiding the vessel with precision and strategy, a fitting metaphor for his future role in navigating the complexities of the universe. He was learning to steer, to lead, to make critical decisions under pressure. After Oxford, the pursuit of knowledge led him to Cambridge for his PhD, where he began diving into the deepest mysteries of existence, exploring the origins of the universe, the nature of black holes, and the very fabric of space-time. Just as his academic journey soared to new heights, promising groundbreaking discoveries, his body began to fail, presenting an unforeseen and devastating obstacle. At the young age of 21, he received a life-altering diagnosis, ALS, or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. The prognosis was grim. He was given only 2 years to live. The news was devastating, understandably plunging him into a deep depression, a dark abyss of despair. He questioned the very point of his ambitious work, wondering if his efforts were now futile in the face of such a limited future. He felt as though the universe, which he so desperately sought to understand, had turned cruel and indifferent to his plight. For a time it seemed as though his remarkable story, filled with such promise, would tragically end before it had truly begun. Yet, even as his body began to betray him, slowly robbing him of his physical abilities, the unyielding fire of his intellect, his insatiable thirst for knowledge, remained undimmed. The cosmic irony. Here was a brilliant mind, uniquely equipped and passionately driven to unlock the deepest secrets of the universe, tragically trapped within a body that was relentlessly failing him. But Stephen Hawking's extraordinary story was far from over. In fact, it was only just beginning. The encroaching darkness would soon give way to an even more powerful force, the indomitable spirit of a man who refused to be defined by his limitations. In the midst of despair, love entered Hawking's life. Jane Wilde saw beyond his illness to the brilliance within. Their relationship became a defiant act of hope. Engagement reignited his purpose, giving him a reason to fight. With Jane's support, he found the strength to complete his PhD and continue his work. Love became his anchor, helping him believe in himself again. Jane's unwavering support allowed his mind to roam free, even as his body declined. Their marriage was a testament to optimism and resilience. Hawking's renewed motivation led to a surge in his research. This chapter proves that while science explains the universe, love gives it meaning. Together, they showed that hope can pull us out of the darkest gravity wells. As Hawking's body weakened, his mind grew stronger. He turned to black holes, then thought to be cosmic prisons from which nothing could escape. In 1974, he made a revolutionary prediction: black holes emit energy, now known as Hawking radiation. This idea bridged quantum mechanics and relativity, shaking the foundations of physics. His work suggested black holes could evaporate, challenging the notion of lost information. Though met with skepticism, his mathematics was undeniable. Hawking's discovery transformed black holes from curiosities to keys for understanding the universe. He became a giant in his field, showing that even from darkness, light and knowledge can escape. His own life mirrored this. Trapped physically, his mind radiated brilliance. Hawking's illness, a relentless progression of ALS, eventually robbed him of his natural speech. The ability to communicate, once effortless, became a daunting challenge. This gradual loss threatened to isolate him from the world, silencing one of the most brilliant minds of our time. But technology, in a remarkable twist of fate, stepped in to offer a lifeline, giving him a new voice and a renewed connection to humanity. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a bridge built across the chasm of disability. Using a speech synthesizer, a sophisticated piece of technology, he communicated with the world, sharing his groundbreaking ideas and profound insights in a distinctive, almost iconic electronic tone. This synthesized voice became his signature, instantly recognizable across the globe. This voice, initially a necessity, soon became iconic. The sound of intellect transcending physical limits, a symbol of resilience and the boundless potential of the human mind. It was a voice that defied expectations and inspired millions. Hawking, driven by a passion for knowledge and a desire to share it, set out to make the complex world of cosmology accessible to everyone, writing A Brief History of Time, a book that would change the way people thought about the universe. The book became a global phenomenon, a publishing sensation that defied all expectations for a science book. It succeeded in bringing the universe's most profound mysteries and intricate concepts to millions of readers worldwide, sparking curiosity and wonder. Beyond his scientific achievements, he became a pop culture icon, a symbol of intellectual brilliance and unwavering determination. He embraced this role, even making memorable appearances on shows like Star Trek and The Simpsons, further solidifying his status as a beloved public figure. Hawking embraced his fame with grace and humor, using it as a powerful platform to inspire curiosity in science and make complex concepts approachable for everyone, regardless of their background. He showed the world that a scientist could be both a hero and a celebrity, a role model for aspiring thinkers and dreamers. Through the immense success of his book and his numerous public appearances, he invited everyone, from all walks of life, to join the ongoing quest for understanding the universe and our place within it. His remarkable story proved beyond any doubt that intellect, coupled with unwavering perseverance, can break down any barrier, physical or otherwise. Hawking's voice, though generated by a machine and therefore artificial, spoke volumes to the world's imagination, resonating deeply with people from all cultures and backgrounds. Ultimately, he made us all feel like we were, in some small way, part of the grand and awe-inspiring cosmic adventure. Behind the fame, Hawking faced immense personal challenges. His disease demanded constant care, straining his marriage to Jane and later Elaine Mason. Despite personal upheavals, his dedication to science never wavered. He mentored new generations, advocated for science, and spoke out on issues like climate change and space exploration. Hawking's perspective was always cosmic, urging humanity to look beyond itself. His relentless pursuit of knowledge despite adversity remains his greatest triumph. Even in his final years, Hawking's mind explored the frontiers of physics. His last major work, with Thomas Hertog, proposed a new framework for the multiverse, suggesting it might be finite and predictable. This final theory was submitted days before his death, a fitting end to a lifetime of cosmic inquiry. Hawking's life was marked by poetic coincidences: born on Galileo's death anniversary, died on Einstein's birthday, and Pi Day. It felt as if the cosmos itself acknowledged his passing. He carried the torch from Galileo and Einstein, illuminating new corners of the universe. His final act was a reminder the quest for understanding never ends. Hawking's legacy is more than equations. It's a call to wonder. He urged us to look up at the stars, to be curious, and to seek understanding. His life proved that the human spirit can transcend any limitation. By refusing to be defined by illness, he redefined what it means to be human. He made the cosmos accessible, inviting everyone to join the conversation. Hawking bridged the gap between science and the public, inspiring awe in millions. His story is a testament to the limitless potential of a single mind. Though his voice is silent, his ideas echo through the universe, inspiring us all to wonder.